Hello guys, it's me. Forgot my YouTube name. Well, whatever. But yeah, it's me. Oh yeah, Cool Wolf Boy 25. Today we're gonna be. I know I made a video some other minutes or seconds, but I'm gonna be making one trying to get rid of my blue spike. But I want someone to trade me like cool stuff. I already have like, two blue spikes. So if you guys um what is it called? So yeah, here's my name, right? Just add me, the first one to add me, and I'll give you my other blue spike, like right here. Just tell me in the comments when you'll be on, and yeah. Now I'm not doing that because I love this. Look, I'll show you proof I have two spikes, that one and that one. So yeah, we're gonna go the most place I like to go because it's, for me, I think it's crowded. So yeah, right here. All I do is usually, basically, just start dancing. Or you can go more over here, but go to my den for blue spike. Wait, no. Wait, no. Go to my den. Wait, no. Blue spike. Oh shit. Whatever, I'm just kidding. This is gonna take a while. So yeah, first person to add me, you're gonna get my spike, my other one. Let's see what this guy has to offer me. I said my spike. Why does everyone want my spooky top hat? I don't see why it's rare. It's pretty easy to get, isn't it? I said my blue spike. No one likes blue spikes. Oh god. No. Oh my god. Every time I stand on that. That's not really good. I'd rather have something better than that. Like, what parties are on? I can't go to that party. Neither the other one. I wish there was a trading party on. I wouldn't have to say anything. Please trade me purple flower crown. I want a purple flower crown. Nah, I'm just kidding. I'm not a girl. I need to give away the spike. And if no one wants it, then the first person and the second person will get the spike. Yeah, sorry if you guys don't like it. So yeah, just search up my name, because I won't recognize it's you guys who want it, because I just align to every one I get when I'm online. But like if I get it from mail, right here, I'll set that and see who gets it. No, I'm sorry. God damn, does no one want my freaking blue spike? Like, come on, try at least. I'm gonna start like... What is this person doing? She's still at Woot Moo's. Woot Moo's den. Sounds funny. Woot Moo's. I didn't say my dragon mask. No one's paid attention to me. Come on. You know, no one has good stuff here. You know, just forget about it here. Maybe a different place. It is the same person. It's just trading me the same things. Remember when I had the reindeer set? This person sucks. Wait, let me be right back. Never mind, I can't do it while I'm doing a video. Let's do this really fast. But yeah, so you guys might be lucky if no one wants to get this spike. And the two spikes, the two people who add me first, yeah, we'll get the spike. For free, though. Like, you don't have to do anything. Just add me. Or, wait, no. Be right back, I gotta check. So, yeah, the first person to subscribe to me and like this... No, just subscribe to me. Because I only have one subscriber, but so the first person to subscribe to me gets the free blue spike. So if I don't get this other blue spike away, the second person will also get a free blue spike. Oh yeah, and also in the comments below this video, just say I commented, so I know who. I subscribed, so I knew who subscribed first. Oh wait, there's people over here. What am I doing? Blue spike on trade. Who doesn't want a blue spike, right? Like, I wanted this blue spike, but now I really don't care about spikes. Not very much. I would give it away for free, but I would want something valuable for this. I know you can just get it from treasure hunts. Sorry if you guys don't like people that are common with wolves. I don't, buy sapphires. Why would I do that? So I'm just... Really? This makes it even worse. But at least I got rid of it. Now I want to get rid of a... Oh, interesting. Oh god. Well, no one wants to. Who doesn't want this? Like, at least try. I tried. What the hell? Oh wait, that was my friend. I'll be right back. So I actually got something good. I like the spinning bow tie. So yeah, hope you guys like it. I got rid of my boo. Now I'm waiting for someone to subscribe to me. So there's no first. Hope you guys like it. Goodbye.